to Cooking with Aurora, my kids' cooking channel. Today we're going to make a nice healthy lunch. Today's recipe comes from this cookbook, a Pirate Cookbook. Simple recipes for kids. We are going to make peg leg pickles. We need 4 ingredients: baby pickles, lunch meat, whipped cream, cheese, and toothpicks. We're going to have a couple of pieces of lunch meat, and then we're going to spread cream cheese on there. Now we're going to get a pickle. Now we get a toothpick. All you have to do is stick it and the lunch meat stays. And now you're just going to make how many you want. Make sure you take the toothpick out before you eat it. Now let's dig in. Mmm, delicious. See you next time.
1 to 10, what is it?
10.
A 10? The best thing you've ever eaten?
For lunch?
Oh, delicious, huh? Huh.